Imagine you're traveling through space, calm and relaxed, just admiring the stars, when suddenly, right in front of you, appears a true cosmic monster that swallows everything: planets, light, time, and anything that gets too close. Yes, a black hole. And the question is, what happens if you go inside one? First, you don't even need to be very close before gravity starts pulling your body like a giant vacuum cleaner, and at that moment your atoms would probably say, "Yeah, this went bad." The force is so intense that not even light can escape. If light can't get away, imagine you. As you get closer, time starts to act weird, space seems distorted, and you might see the universe passing by like you're watching the future on fast forward. Then you reach the event horizon, the invisible boundary that works like a one-way door. Once you pass it, there's no turning back, not even if you ask nicely. To anyone watching from the outside, it looks like you're falling in slow motion, almost frozen. But for you, everything feels normal. For a few seconds. Because soon you begin to feel the most brutal effect known to science: spaghettification. Yes, that's a real name. Gravity pulls your feet with much more force than your head, and you'd start stretching like a giant noodle. Basically, the universe would turn you into human spaghetti. It sounds funny, but that's the end. Your body would be destroyed, stretched, compressed, and turned into energy. But there's an even crazier possibility. Some scientists believe that inside a black hole, there could be a portal to somewhere else. Maybe another galaxy, maybe another universe. Going inside could be like crossing a secret cosmic passage, but no one has ever come back to tell us what's on the other side, so all we have is imagination. The truth is, falling into a black hole might turn you into space pasta, send you to another universe, or simply erase you from existence. It's terrifying but fascinating, one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Now tell me, would you dare to cross a black hole? Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I want to know who on this planet would risk a trip like that.